guys, welcome back to Stacy Goes Outside. Today I'm taking a break from bass fishing. I know, it's weird, but I got invited to go halibut fishing with John Badger of Barbarian Sportfishing. I show up to the Richmond Marina this morning and Annie's here, so I'm super excited. Annie and I have not fished together, so we're just gonna, a couple of girls here, we're just gonna kick some ass. It's gonna be a good day. It's already a good day with this group, and let's go. How's the fishing been this week?
It's been pretty good. This week we commercial fished a couple days. We had limits for some firemen the other day. That was pretty cool. We got a fish on.
Oh my god, okay. All right, so Aaron's got the first fish on. So John, what's our setup today?
Rod-wise, CalStar. That's a 196. They're flimsy. See, you can see.
Oh, nice.
Bend a little bit.
Okay.
That's kind of what you want. Our rig is set up so that it slides. So this is fluorocarbon. I'll show you the brand of the hook right there. It's an owner. And then this rig here slides. You're gonna see this fishing line that's glow in the dark. That's just so we can see it. That's just so we can see it when we're bringing the fish up. Little bead to hold it. The most important part of this rig is the fact that these are 2 ball bearing swivels. And we also put another one down on the bottom because all this stuff's spinning around while it's on the bottom, tapping the bottom. So this is one of the bigger rods. But yeah, you got it right in the right spot. Come on there, pull it out like that. Pull it down. It's kind of bad. That way you know when it hits the bottom. Right?
Yep.
This one's still good. It didn't get bit.
Okay.
Let's look at yours. Halibut leave teeth marks, so you know if they got bit or not.
How deep are we fishing right now?
21 feet.
I'm sorry?
21 feet.
Feel like a good one or no?
Be a monster. Be a monster.
Come on, Annie.
Loaded it up. It's taking her a while. Did we get anything?
Dude, he's got this. Give me a little slack. Hey, dude, he had the weight in his mouth.
Did he really?
What?
You seen that?
Yeah.
Dude, the bait's fine. He had the weight in his mouth. He bit the weight.
That's crazy.
He chewed the weight off.
And he held on.
Wow.
Amazing.
That's crazy.
Get my wife into it.
Dude, he took my weight.
I guess your weights look good.
Yeah, they do. I'm glad you said weights.
Yeah. Oh, your balls look good.
Over here. There you go. I gotta go. You getting any lime? We're getting your bad pictures now. Yeah. Now you've never bass fishing. Getting your bad pictures.
Hold on, keep his head in the water. Keep his head in the water. All right. Grab that on him. It's a nice fish. It's just tangled. Go ahead and lift.
Bring his head up. Good fish. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Nice one.
Oh, it's a good one, guys.
He was on it, boy. I didn't have to say nothing. Just grab the little flip and load it.
Even with this mess, we're making it happen today. So
Look at that. That's nice.
Nice work, team.
Good job.
Keep going.
Stacy trying to pick up a fish. Look at that.
Definitely keeper size, guys. So
Look at that.
we're gonna
Make
need
that
everyone's
work.
recipes.
What kind of recipe? What do you think?
Anything.
Better than beer batter? Yeah? Oh, man. Oh, look at it. It's opening up his mouth and shaking in her face. Look at that.
It's not happy.
Look out. Look at that. She's got a grip on that sucker. It ain't going nowhere.
Can you imagine if it goes close?
Oh, yeah. Right over the edge. And we'd have it all on video.
Just a little baby, guys. Got a few of these today.
Yeah.
Once I got the kayaks that are
Look at it.
They're so pretty.
justify the
All right, back you go.
and like
Looking at the rail. We'll move. Little guy.
That might be a keeper. It's close.
wheel them up.
Yeah, she got it. Hell yeah. Oh yeah.
They just love us today.
Hey, so we're gonna start another drift. We're gonna go up here. If you look here, look at the bait. See the bait on the screen? That's all on this ledge right here. This is the boat.
Okay.
So this ledge is gonna have bait all the way up on it. And right now, the way the current's going, we're gonna go up to these mooring buoys, and we're probably gonna wind up drifting down this ledge right here. That's all bait right there.
And what area of the bay are we fishing right now?
Right now, we're at the end of the Alameda Rock Wall. If you look behind us, you can see the end of the Alameda Rock Wall, and then the channel that goes in. And then that's the end of the Alameda Aerostrip. Have you ever heard of Mythbuster? You know, the show Mythbuster?
Yeah, is that where it was filmed?
Yeah, they
Okay.
do some filming over there. So when you hear people say, hey, we're catching fish over at Mythbusters,
Yeah.
that means we're catching them over there.
Okay.
Look at his thumb. It's just all over the floor.
Oh my gosh.
Here, I'm going to put this thumb right there. I'll put that
I have a
thumb right there.
these are
All right.
bad bass fishing habits.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, you're good. Flip that, flip that, flip that. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Sweet.
Oh, did we
Hey.
double up? You got one?
Yeah, double up here.
Look
Grab
at
this
that.
one.
She's going to get two in a row. Watch that fishing line at your feet. Look at her. She's going for it. Going for it. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Little.
Little. All right. A little bit of action. That's all it is.
It's so funny how sometimes they just feel like they're 5 times bigger.
See, and if we weren't checking the bait that much, we wouldn't even know.
Yeah.
We wouldn't even know. He doesn't like the fact that this lady, Stacy, caught
Must be
it.
in there peeing.
Yep.
Yeah, she is.
Every time she goes pee, she catches a fish. And Aram, being the nice guy that he is, he came out fishing today with these ladies, and now the ladies are gonna catch all the fish.
Swallowed it?
But he got the first one and the biggest one. Guys all like to hear they got the biggest one. We're putting her to work, man. Ain't no watching today. Here she comes to bless us once again.
Did I bring in the fish?
You did not only one, but two. But the other one was a shaker. So you must have been, I think it's still on the line. While you were down there shaking,
Still got
we
it.
were too, but we gotta keep her. We gotta keep her out of the deal. Right over there. Look at her. She went for the stick like a cop. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, hit him right across the eyeballs. Oh yeah. see him already?
We got a ping pong game ready. This is the smallest halibut I've ever caught. This is a dab. That almost doesn't count. That's what's neat. Look at that. That is amazing. And look where he got hooked. He's like, I don't even want that. That's amazing. That's the smallest halibut ever.
So John, sometimes it's a little intimidating for people when they see these big charter boats. They're hesitant to take a trip because they feel like they're going to be the least experienced people. They don't want to embarrass themselves. They don't want to get lines tangled. You know, for someone booking one of these trips for the first time, what kind of advice can you give them?
Oh, just show up. Just show up. You need a license and a lunch. That's about it. But we got all the tackle. We got all the gear. We got everything you're going to need once you get out here. You get a one-day license. You don't need to get a full year. But if you're just going to go out and check out halibut fish and see if you like it, go ahead and get the one day. Come on out. See what we got going on.
And for those of you who are afraid that you might get seasick out here, one little trick that I've learned is I will take Dramamine the night before, and then I will take it again right before I step on the boat. And I've been seasick once, or at least I felt like I was on the verge of being seasick, and that was enough for me. I never want to feel that way again. It's awful. So, you can take that precaution, take those motion sickness pills, and you'll be good to go.
How is it? Is it nice? Talk to me.
So cute.
It's just Shaker City today, man. Does it have anything to do with the fact that there are 700 boats out here and they're 2 feet from each other?
It's been that way for a couple of weeks. There's a lot of shakers out here.
All right.
A lot of shakers right now. More or less, you got to wade through the shakers just to find a good fish.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Woo! Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Get y'all there. Good fish, yeah.
Hell yeah!
Okay, pull this up. Let's get this up.
Well guys, what a great day with Barbarian Sportfishing. As you can see, we caught a lot of fish. Some of them were small, but we got some really good ones, especially at the end when our buddy Aram just knocked it out of the park with that big one. I'm going to talk to John and I'm going to try to get on this boat again because I had a blast. Alright guys, so we had a great day. John, thank you so much for inviting me. I had a blast. Hopefully I'll be back soon. You want to give a little bit of information so people know where to find you?
Yeah, you can get in touch with us at Barbarian Sportfishing. I'm Captain John Badger. My phone number is 510-750-4237. We fish Monday through Friday. Call early. Get your date early. Get it in the book.
What will you be transitioning to after halibut?
The 26th, I think it's June 26th, we're going to start salmon fishing. We'll be doing salmon fishing. Sometimes some of the salmon trips turn into rock cod trips. We're hoping for a banner year on the salmon once again. So after the salmon, probably a couple rock cod trips, and then we'll be right into sea bass. And we'll finish the year with sea bass this year.
Well, I'm definitely going to stow away on one of your salmon trips, so you'll see this mug again. So,
all right.
Again, thanks so much. I really appreciate it, John.
Absolutely.
All right,
all right.
thanks.
Hey, good job. We're going to have to do this again.
Definitely.
All right.
All right. Alright guys, so that was a pretty good day of fishing. Had a lot of fun, made some new friends, brought home a ton of fish, so what more can you ask for? It had actually been 6 months since I've been halibut fishing, so it was a nice change from what I've been doing for the last few weeks. Hopefully I will be on his boat when salmon season comes around in a couple months. if you're enjoying this video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up, comment below, and let me know what you thought. If you enjoy saltwater videos, go check out my Stacy Goes Saltwater Fishing playlist. There are a bunch of different videos there. Subscribe, make sure that you don't miss any of my other videos. And who knows, maybe when I'm back out here trying to catch my first salmon limit for the year, I'll see you outside.